Modern vehicles are electrical marvels. Although this electrical creativity has made a vast array of features possible that would not have been possible otherwise, they can occasionally act up and cause some headaches. The majority of the electric parts of your car, including the engine control unit and other control modules, are powered by the main relay in your vehicle. When you turn your vehicle on, it shifts the relay to a new position, which allows you to start your vehicle by sending power to the necessary components. In this video, we've highlighted the most common signs of a bad main relay, how to diagnose it, and its replacement cost. Unable to start your vehicle. A faulty main relay may be the cause of your car's inability to start when you try to start it. Before assuming that the main relay is the cause of the issue, you should still rule out other, more plausible causes, such as a dead battery or a bad starter. Once you're satisfied that your battery has sufficient power, you can turn the key to start in different positions and listen for the fuse box to click. Your primary relay isn't the issue if you hear a click. If not, you'll need to look into it more. But keep in mind that the relay needs sufficient power from the battery in your car for it to click over. Your vehicle won't stay running. Even if you can start your car, you won't be able to keep it running for very long if the main relay isn't working properly. Depending on the exact problem, it may take a few seconds or minutes, but a malfunctioning main relay will prevent your engine from starting. The issue you're having has nothing to do with the main relay if your engine continues to run. Check engine light. If your car starts, a malfunctioning main relay will be indicated by a check engine light on the dashboard. However, you'll need to connect an OBD2 scan tool and read the code's meaning in order to confirm that the engine light is related to the main relay. How to diagnose. Although it is uncommon, a malfunctioning main relay is not unheard of or impossible. Although accurate diagnosis of the main relay requires some technical know-how, there are a few workarounds that can help locate the issue. You must locate the main relay first. After that, while you cycle the ignition, have someone stand next to the fuse box. If they aren't hearing the clicking sound, your main relay may be broken. If they do, it's likely not the relay that's the issue. In any case, try replacing the primary relay in the system with a different one if you can identify which one it is. Though theoretically both of them could be defective, the likelihood of this is minuscule. After switching the relays, attempt to start your car. You have a faulty relay and need to replace it if the car starts, but the system to which you moved the main relay is now acting strangely. The main relay probably isn't the issue, though, if you don't notice a difference and the car still won't start or run. Remember that your primary relay circuit may be experiencing an electrical issue. In such a scenario, it will appear as though the main relay is malfunctioning, but replacing it will never resolve the issue. If this is the case, figuring out what's going on is going to require some technical know-how. Replacement cost. Depending on your vehicle type and the repair facility, replacing the main relay typically costs between $70 and $120. The cost of the relay itself and troubleshooting fees will account for the majority of that expense. This is due to the fact that replacing your main relay is simple, but diagnosing it can be challenging if you're not experienced. The cost of the relay itself can range from $30 to $70 plus an additional $40 to $50 for labor. Therefore, you can remove the fuse box cover and replace the relay yourself if you are certain that it is the cause of the issue. Better yet, try replacing the relay with another one in the fuse box if you think it might be the issue. In the event that the issue moves, a faulty relay needs to be replaced.